Hi everyone. We are looking at a problem on the board. 2 plus x raised to the power of 7. And you're asked to expand this function here in up to the first four terms. The first four terms you are asked to expand, and with the ascending powers of x. And you're asked to use binomial expansion method to do that. We've got different methods to use binomial expansion. I will try two on this problem. Now this one, when you are given a problem like this, you know about this formula here. This is 2 raised to the power of n. Let me state the formula so that people will be familiar with it. If you have a plus b raised to the power of n, 2 plus x raised to the power of 7, and a plus b to the power of n, we make this general, then we use it on the question. This one will give you a raised to the n plus n1, a raised to the n minus 1 b plus n2, that is the factorial part of it, a raised to the n minus 2, now b2, b now is increasing, plus n3, a raised to the power of n minus 3, then b3, plus n4, a raised to the power of n minus 4, then b4. Let's stop there. So this is what you get with this formula. This is the general equation or general form of a binomial expansion formula. Get that type of formula. So if you now want to apply this one here, you will get 2, which is a here, raised to the power of 7 plus n 7 1, because n is 7, and a here is 2 raised to the 7 minus 1, and your b is x, plus 7 2, your a is 2, don't forget, 2 raised to the power of 7 minus 2, and your b is x, x raised to the 2, don't forget, plus 7 3, a is 2 raised to the power of 7 minus 3, and your b x to the 3, plus 7 4, your a, mine is 2 raised to the power of 7 minus 4, and your b is x to the 4. I've applied this formula to this problem. We are now solving this problem together. So this one here, you will have 2 raised to the power of 7 plus 7 1, 2 raised to the power of 6 times x, plus 7 2, 2 raised to the power of 5 x squared, plus 7 3, 2 raised to the power of 4 x 3, plus 7 4, 2 raised to the power of 7 minus 4 is 3, x 4. All we need to do now is to simplify. Simplify. But first, let's solve these factorial things. This gives us 2 raised to the power of 7 plus this factorial. So it's just 7. You have 7 times 2 raised to the power of 6 x plus this factorial. If you have 7c2, that is what it means. You're doing the factorial. So this is 7 factorial divided by 7 2 factorial into 7 minus 2 factorial. So this gives you 7 factorial, 2 factorial times 5 factorial. So this gives you 7, 6, 5 factorial all over 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1, times 5 factorial. So the 5 factorial will cancel. This is 3. So you get 21. 21, yeah? So here you get 21 times 2 raised to the 5 x2 plus, again, 7, 3. This is the same as 7 choose 3. This is the same as 7 factorial all over 3 factorial times 7 minus 3 factorial. So this is 7 factorial all over 3 factorial times 7 minus 3. This is 4 factorial. So this is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial all over 3 times 2 times 1 for this 3 factorial times 4 factorial. So the factorials cancel. So this is 3 times 2, 6 cancel 6. So this is 35. So here you get 35 times 2 raised to the power of 4 times x cubed. Yeah? The last one, you have 7, 4. This is 7 choose 4. And this is 7 factorial all over 4 factorial times 7 minus 4 factorial, which is 7 factorial all over 4 factorial times 3 factorial. So this is 7 times 5 times 4 factorial all over 4 factorial times 3, 2, 1 for this one. So the factorial cancels. Is it? No wonder. We got 6, 7 times 6 times 5. So this cancels the 6. So what will remain is 7 times 5 is 35. So again it's 35, the second one. Next one is 35. Plus 35 times 2 raised to the power of 3 x4. So all that is required for us to do is to simplify. 2 raised to the power of 7. 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32. 2 raised to the power of 6 is 64. 2 raised to the power of 7 is 128. So this is 128 plus 2 raised to the power of 6, 64. So 64 times 7. 7 times 4 is 28, carry 2. 7 times 6 times 6, 36, plus 6. 7 times this 42. 42 plus we'll carry 2, so that gives you 44. Yeah? So plus 448x plus, you can use calculator, but 21 times 2 raised to the power of 5. You know, 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32. So 32 times 21, 1 times 2 is 2, 3, this is 4, this is 6. So 2, 7, 672. So 672x squared plus 2 raised to the 4 is 16. So 35 times 16. You have 35 times 16. 6 times 5 times 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 5 is 30. You carry 3. 6 times 6 is 18 plus the 1 you carry plus the 3 you carry. That gives you 21. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. So you get 0, 6, 5, 60. So you get 560x cubed. You are getting there. This one, 2 raised to the 3 is 8. So you have 35 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Carry 4. 8 times this, 24. 28. So you get 280. Plus 280x to the power of 4. This is what you get. This is what you get. Yeah? 128 plus 448x plus 672x squared plus 560x cubed plus 280x4. So now let's use the other method I was talking about. You now have this one here. I'll make another video.